I'm waiting to see if we can get a test of this overnight high because I think we're going to continue this rotation down. Just, I need a test of this area. I want to make sure that I want to see that it doesn't get acceptance into this node here. If you do enjoy these videos, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos in the future. If you have any questions about my trades, just leave them in the comments below. So there's my entry. And this is exactly what I wanted to see, was immediate rejection out of this node. Now we're looking for the POC, and then my ultimate target would be down here at the volume area low. So any acceptance into this node, you can get out of the trade. We got in right at the volume area high. Then our first target's here. See where that 27 ticks is at. Right here at 515.25. And 40 ticks would be down here. It's close to this market profile POC. That would also be a good target. Right now they're buying it off this VWAP area, thinking that they're going to push it higher. So if we get down to this VWAP area, we need to watch and see what kind of reaction we're going to get. If it's going to come down and spring off this and shoot back up, you might want to consider closing the trade. But if it cuts right through this area, you have this void in the volume profile here. You can see it even bounced off that in the first place. So if we can't get through this, it'll be a good excuse to close the trade. But if we come right through this, we'll be right at our 40 ticks. But then you do have the market profile POC here and the halfback from overnight. So, that's another good reason just to take your 40 ticks. At this point, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I have a hard time just not taking it at the 40 ticks. So if we come down here slowly and it barely gets through here, I'll just take the 40 and be happy with that. If we cut through both of these areas, or if I had multiple contracts, I would really be looking for this area down here. You could even shoot for this, but to me, this is all the same. So whether you take it here, here, or here, I mean, it's pretty much the same area. So it's either, taking it here or you take it here. To me, it just depends on how it gets there. Right now, it looks pretty good. Back down to that POC. So this is that area you want to watch and see, is it going to have another bounce off of this? And how does it come off there? Does it come off aggressively, or is it, looking pretty weak? I thought this was a funny error. I entered this trade and was so focused on what I was doing, I didn't move my order. So it actually took me out at my 27 ticks. I thought I would just show the result of this trade we would have at least gotten that 40 ticks. It just shows you, things, you need things, you got to create processes so that you move those targets right away. And who knows if it's Monday or um, what I'm thinking about. Uh, just shows you that, errors happen all the time and you just have to adjust to them. Sometimes they're in your favor, sometimes they're not. I just thought this was an interesting trade to post because of that.